I'm going to show you how to fix the Rainbow Six Siege server connection error. So for the first method, you should try terminating your launcher and restarting it again. So go to the search bar and click on this upside arrow. After that, go to your launcher like Steam, right click and select exit. Next, go to the search bar again and right click on any empty space and select task manager. Now in the search, type in your launcher again and ensure that it's not appearing like this. If you do find it, go ahead and select the processes, right click on it and select end task. Do that for any process until you ensure that there is nothing left. Now you can close that, try relaunching the game and see if the problem is fixed. For the next method, first of all you should ensure that you are already connected to an internet connection. You can do that by going to your browser, type in the speed test and then run it and ensure that you have a good result appearing. After doing that, you can close your browser. After that, go to the search and type in view network connections right here. Now, when this appears, you just need to look for your Wi-Fi. For example, this one belongs to me. So right click on it and select properties. Now, once this pop up, just look for Internet Protocol version 4, double click on it, and then you need to switch the DNS server address from automatically to use the following DNS server. So on the first one, type in like this, 8888, and in the second one, type in 8844. After that, select OK and make sure to close everything. Now all you have to do is to go to the Windows icon and try restarting your computer. After that, try relaunching the game and see if the problem is fixed. Now for the next method, go to the search and then go type in cmd. After that, select run as an administrator. So the command prompt will pop up. So all you have to do is to copy paste this command, ipconfig space /release, hit enter. After that, copy paste ipconfig space /dns and hit enter again. That's it. Now you can close that. Now you can try relaunching the game and see if the problem is still occurs or not. For the next method, go to the Windows icon. After that, go to settings. Now from here, go to the Windows update element in the bottom left. After that, select the download and install all the pending updates in order to prevent any issue or connection related problem. If you do have stuck updates, it's so simple and easy to solve. Just go to update history. After that, scroll all the way down. You need to select recovery, select reinstall now. Or you can just select the first option to troubleshoot without resetting your PC. Just follow the process by selecting other troubleshooters. After that, go to the network and the internet, select run and see if it works. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.